Ravi Madhu's cooking is all about inspiring everyone to cook delicious cuisines at home. Before proceeding further to watch this video, please subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below this video. Don't forget to touch the bell button besides it so as to enable automatic notification of every new cooking video. Also like the video after watching it if you really like it. Click on description button below, or if you are watching it on laptop, touch the show more button at bottom of description column to find the list of ingredients and detailed recipe text. Today we are making eggless orange cake. There are hundreds varieties of cakes which are baked throughout the world. Different ingredients and recipes are used to create so many various flavors and tastes. Today we are baking eggless orange cake using fresh orange juice. It is very flavorful and delicious cake. Make this easy and yummy orange cake. Serve it to your dear ones and relish the taste. Everyone is surely going to like it. Grease your cake pan with cooking oil or melted butter. We are using a loaf pan. You may use any shape according to your choice. Line the pan with parchment or butter paper and grease paper also well. Also preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. You may use fresh oranges, malta, or kinnows for this cake according to availability. Grate 1 teaspoon zest from oranges or any one you are using. Squeeze out fresh juice also. We have juiced 2 kinnows to get approximately 1/2 cup, that is 100 ml. We will use according to requirement. Keep juice and zest aside for a while. Put 3/4 cup maida, that is all-purpose flour, in a sieve, kept over a bowl. Also add 3/4 teaspoon baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda into it. Sift all together for at least 3 times. Sifting for 3 times mixes the dry ingredients evenly and some air is filled into mixture, which helps in making cake spongy. Keep them also aside for a while. Now take 1/4 cup and 2 tablespoon granulated or powdered sugar in a large mixing bowl. Amount of sugar depends on sourness of fruit and to your taste. Add more if fruit is too tangy and reduce sugar if juice is sweet enough. Add 1/4 cup dahi, that is thick curd or yogurt, into sugar. Curd should be thick but do not use hung curd. Blend well manually or use an electric beater to blend. Beat until all of sugar is well dissolved into curd. Now add freshly grated zest and 1/4 cup melted butter into sweetened curd. Blend until butter is well infused into curd. Now add 1/4 cup freshly squeezed orange or malta or kinnows juice into it. Blend again until well mixed and smooth. Now start adding dry flour mixture in small batches into wet mixture. Do it in 2 or 3 batches and blend well after each addition. Keep on scraping the side wall of bowl and betweens. Add all of dry ingredients mixture into bowl and blend well. Now add more juice if required to attain smooth batter of flowing consistency. Little more than 1/4 cups juice has gone in to get this consistency. Consistency should be thick, not thin but flowing. Pour batter into prepared cake pan. Tap the pan a few times to even the surface. You may do it using a rubber or silicone spatula as well. Bake in preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 35 to 40 minutes. Bake until an inserted skewer comes out clean from center of cake. Place pan on a wire rack and allow cake to cool for 10 to 15 minutes in pan itself. Unmold after cooling for 15 minutes and remove papers from sides. Allow cooling completely to room temperature, then slice and serve delicious eggless orange cake. Enjoy! Hope that you have liked the recipe. Please click the like button below and write your views on it in comments column for sure. Your feedback is very important for us. Also click on our photo on screen to subscribe if not done till now. Thanks.